Planning to move to New Jersey? Average move costs between $450 and $4,200, but there is what they are not telling you. I'm gonna show you exactly what Jersey movers charge, how to avoid paying thousands more than necessary. 4 things will absolutely wreck your moving budget. First, timing. Is it a summer move? Add 30% up. Weekend move? Add another 20. End of the month? Be prepared for another 15%. Second, stairs and long carries. Third floor? That's an extra $75 to $150. Long driveway, another $100. Third, professional packing. Usually it adds up $500 to $1,500 more. Number 4, Jersey tolls and travel time. Yep, you pay for the commute. So that's $1,000 quote. It's really $1,500 to $1,800 quote. But here's the quick reality check on DIY moves. Truck rentals, $40 to $50 plus $1.99 per mile. Add gas, tolls, equipment, and your whole weekend. You're at minimum between $800 to $1,200 minimum. Professional movers average $1,400 for a 2-bedroom. The difference, just $200 to $600. For that, you get insurance, experienced crews, professional equipment, and you can still walk the next day. Worth it? You tell me. Here's how not to get ripped off. Number 1, get 3 written quotes with everything itemized. No surprises. 2, ask specifically about stairs, long carries, and travel charges up front. And number 3, book mid-month, mid-week, save 20 to 30% instantly. 4, pack yourself up with pro materials. That saves $500 to $1,000. And last, number 5, verify their insurance. Jersey has very specific requirements. Quick tip: New York, Jersey City, Hoboken, add 20% up. Suburbs, save 10 to 15%. Here's the truth. Expect $1,400 to $2,500 for a typical 2-bedroom Jersey move. That's the real number, everything included. The difference between fair pricing and getting ripped off? Transparency. Every cost explained up front. When it comes to the moving in New Jersey, at Let's Get Moving, we put every cost written before we even start. No hidden fees, no surprises. That's how we've done business for the last 15 years. Download our complete Jersey moving checklist below. It will save you hundreds, if not thousands, guaranteed.